So guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing over here. I got this Cricut Joy, your DIY best friend. I got it in Michael's, the last one, for $170. And this is it, Cricut. Okay, I took it out of the foil already, so it's gonna be easier for me to show you guys. So that's how it looks like. I'm so excited, guys. This is so cute. It looks like this. It's really tiny. You can just close it here. And what else is inside? There is a pen, a little tiny pen in it. I don't know what's this for actually, but let me figure it out later. Then we have some cables here. That's the adapter. And then we have some books over here. That's what it looks like. Let me get it out. And there is a mat. I think this is to, like, when you put your paper in, so it's not gonna scratch your machine, your Cricut. I think that's pretty much it. There's not much inside. And this is a little how to set up your Cricut, and explains you a little bit what to do with the fine point pen. This is some paper to try it out. If you need more paper, of course you need to buy it. They give you a little piece of silver paper. And this is some warranty, and I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, this, I think it fell out from in here. This was in here actually. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you guys want to see how I use it, please comment down below. I think it's super cute. Then you connect it, you connect your cable in here, of course, and then you connect it to the, you connect this in here. Hold on. Oh, let me see. Yeah, that's how you connect it, and then it goes straight to the plug. You plug it in. So that's how you're gonna use. You can use it wireless, I guess, with your phone or with your iPad, whatever you want. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love this color from this Cricut machine. Then you just put this in here like this, and then it. So here I connected, I downloaded the app Cricut Joy, and then I connected it with the Cricut machine, and then I pressed whatever text I wanted it to, like, cut out, and then it's cutting out. But I have to tell you guys, there's a lot of text in the Cricut app that you have to pay for, so be aware of that. Every single text is like $10, around $5-10. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.